Grab your bucket and your spade. Let's go play in the sun and shade. The beach is calling soft and sweet, with sand to play beneath our feet. Sunscreen on our hats so wide, with ocean waves side by side. Sandy toes and sunny nose, how the ocean comes and goes. We splash and play the whole day long, with a happy beach time song. Shelly the seashell sparkles bright, catching every bit of light. Crabby the crab goes side to side, with a happy wave he can't hide. Wavy the dolphin jumps up high, splashing water to the sky. Let's build a castle big and grand, with turrets made of golden sand. Dig the moat and pile it high, reaching up to touch the sky. A seashell flag on top so tall, the very best castle of them all. The cool waves tickle oh so nice, it feels just like a bowl of ice. We jump the waves 1, 2, 3, splashing you and splashing me. Look, a sailboat far away, sailing on the bay all day. Sandy toes and sunny nose, how the ocean comes and goes. We splash and play the whole day long, with a happy beach time song. Bounce the beach ball red and round, up and down above the ground. After playing a special treat, ice cream flavors can't be beat. Chocolate, vanilla,